Hi guys, this equation involves factorial, so let's see how we can find x. Solution. Okay, so we have x minus 2 factorial equals to 1. Okay, so I'm going to write that x minus 2 factorial equals to 1. All right, so this is a hidden double solution problem, and most students will only find one solution. I'm going to show us how we can find the two solutions of x. Now let's recall that 1 factorial is the same thing as 1, and also 0 factorial is also equals to 1. Okay, so we are going to use that to solve for x. Now, if we consider 1 factorial, which is equals to 1, this is what the equation will give us. X minus 2 factorial equals to 1 factorial. Okay, and if we consider our 1 to be 0 factorial, this is what the equation will give us. X minus 2 factorial equals to 0 factorial. All right, so now let's solve this. This factorial, we cancel this factorial. We have x minus 2 equals to 1. We take minus 2 to the other side. It becomes plus 2. And here we have our x to be 3. Okay, this is the value of x. Now here, this factorial, we cancel this factorial. So we have x minus 2 equals 0. Take minus 2 to the other side. It becomes plus 2. This is the value of x here. So that means that x is equals to 2 or 3. These are the two solutions of x. Now let's do something very similar to that. Let's try this. We have x minus 5 factorial equals to 6. Now let's find the value of x. Find x. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment your answer under the comment section. And if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe. See you next time.